Hi there. So, in a previous video, you saw me unbox this American Lock 1100 aluminum bodied padlock. Works beautifully. Here is the bitting on the key. And we're going to try and pick this open today using a 50 thousandths pry bar in the top of the keyway. And a short hook from Sparrows and 25 thousandths. Just picking each serrated pin one at a time. Dropped into a false set already. Counter rotation. And that was 3. And we got this open. Very heavy spring tension on the core. I have picked these things and been turning it and have the tension wrench fall out. I know it looked pretty easy. I've picked similar locks like this Mako 427, this Pack Lock UCS, which all use American Keyway, and those have 6 pins. This one is 5 and can be pinned up to 6. The screwdriver got it. This one should do. Not prepared here. I had to go over to the toolbox and get one. He's got like any other lock. Padlock, I got to, whoopsie. Screw down the shackle hole. Let's get a pinning tray here. And we got keys. There's our screw, security nut, and a cord. And we can see that there is no anti-bypass wafer. Let me lock this back up. Which means I can reach through the core with a bypass tool that Sparrows makes. I do not have one on hand. But you can reach all the way through the core, come out the back, and actually it's a little hook that turns like this, and turn that actuator, I don't know if you can see that, actuator down in the back there, and open the lock without even picking it. So, it would be worth picking, if you're going to use these, it's worth picking up a package of anti-bypass wafers. They're fairly cheap and increase the security of the lock. We're going to need a shim. Here, oops. Shim. A small American lock follower and holder. And a C-clip tool. Maybe I'll take that one off with a pick. It might be. Yeah, it's too small. Let me go get a pick. Save myself a trip to get a toolbox. Got a small screwdriver, a couple picks which are just sharpened so they'll extra far into my finger when they slip off that C-clip and inadvertently stab me. And we're going to spin this around. Oh, look at that. Came off. I didn't even stab myself. Not doing bad today. Insert the key, turn it 90 degrees. Take our shim and we'll stick that in. Like so. All the way to the front of the lock. Make sure the keys turn the right way, which is. Push out. And we can immediately see that there's a hole for a 6th pin. This lock's only pinned up to 5, and that's the way most American locks are from the factory. So you can get a 6-pin key, cut it, and repin this lock to 6 pins. And we're going to dump the pins out now. Oops, that'd be pin 1. Looks like serrated. 2, serrated 3, serrated. Oh, that'd be 5. I was serrated. 4 is being stubborn to come out. He is lightly serrated. Slide that in there. And let's see what we have upstairs. Polish him out. And chain 1, we have a serrated spool and a regular spring. 2, we have a serrated and a spring. 3, serrated. Oh, I guess I dumped 4 too. That's okay. Both driver pins are the same. American lock pins are locks up the same way. So if you've seen one, you've kind of seen them all. Serrated and a spring. We always oriented the correct way for you. Looks like they are. Except for 2. And you can see all the key pins have 2 serrations. A serrated spool in chamber 1. You can see a little serrations cut at the top of the spool. And regular serrated pins in chambers 2 through 5. So, pretty good lock. For a pretty good price. They're about $10. And good enough for pick resistance on the street. Great training lock when you're starting to learn to pick security pins. All around, good lock. Right? It's worth my I find it funny that if you need the instruction, you have to rip the box open. They print them on the inside of the box. So there's a part number for the lock. Harness alloy. 1-piece design, 2 keys, yada yada. Anyway, that's all I got for this video. Thanks for watching.